So remember, when we divide algebraic terms, we leave the divided by sign out and we rewrite it as a fraction. So I'm going to rewrite 5x divided by 10 as 5x over 10. Now, again, like we did with the multiplication, deal with the numbers and deal with the letters separately. X is by itself, so we can't do anything with the x, so we just leave the x. But we can simplify 5 over 10. And automatically, when you see 5 over 10, you're going to write down a half. But we're going to have an x on the top as well. Now, we don't need to write the 1x, we just need to write x. So we're just going to write it as x over 2. Okay, the x by itself assumes there is a 1 there, so we don't need to bother writing it. Okay, 21x divided by 7x. So 21x over 7x equals. So let's deal with the algebra first. If we have x divided by x, that is exactly the same as 2 divided by 2, which is 1, 3 divided by 3, which is 1, 4 divided by 4, which is 1, so x divided by x is 1. Anything divided by itself is 1. So we can cross these off. Go cross, cross, so they don't exist anymore. Then finally, we've got the numbers to deal with. 21 divided by 7, how many 7s go into 21? The answer is 3. That's our answer. Now, let's do C. So it's already written as a fraction. So we've got 5f over 15f. Let's deal with the letters. F divided by f, something divided by itself, cancels. So I'm going to put a line through them like this. I'm going to rewrite this as 5 over 15. And if we were simplifying it, we would say, what's the number that goes into 5 and 15? And we would say, of course, 5. And so we would divide both the top and bottom by 5. So 5 into 5 goes 1. 5 into 15 goes 3 times. So the answer is a third. And finally, our very last one, we have 8xy over 6y. So let's deal with the algebra. There's a y at the top, y at the bottom, so we can cancel those straight away. We're left with an x at the top, which is fine. Now, 8 over 6. Well, 6 doesn't go into 8, but we can simplify it. So something that's common that divides into 8 and 6 is 2. So if I do divide by 2 at the top, divide by 2 down the bottom, divide by 2 down the bottom, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So I'm going to write 4x at the top, and 6 divided by 2 down the bottom is 3. So our answer is 4x over 3. Okay, let's see how you go with those questions.